Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a follow-up video showing the extension that I put on the patio that I built in the first video. Let me show you what I did. So basically this entire area that I'm sitting in had to be completely dug out, all the grass removed. Let me show you what I did. So as you can see, the area was very grassy. It was actually sod that I had rolled down a couple years ago and it didn't quite work out, so I ripped it up. And because most of this sod is dead and didn't really catch on, all it really requires is a good scrape with the shovel and it comes right up. And after all the grass was dug up, it was time to put down the weed blocker paper. This is the stuff that I use. I get it at Home Depot. It comes in a 3-foot by 50-foot roll. So basically, I just laid this stuff down flat and I put the stone on top of it. I made sure to underlap each section about 5 or 6 inches to make sure all the water that would go on top would cascade down and it wouldn't come back up. I put 44 bags of stone down in this process, which was just about the same amount as I put on the other patio. There were a couple bags left over, so all I did was rip those down and pour them on the low spots. And once all the stone was down, I raked it out so it was nice and flat, and then I took the hose and sprayed it all down. This stuff is super dusty when it comes out of the bag, so you gotta hose it all down, otherwise you're gonna have dust kicking up all over the place. And the last part was putting in the post that I'm gonna string up the new solar lights on. This thing is 8 feet long, and I made a 2-foot mark, made sure 2 feet are below the ground and 6 feet are above the ground, just like the other ones. I also had to dig this whole area out here. This was full of mulch because it was a mulch bed before, so down the hill goes the mulch, and now I'm gonna plant grass seed on top. So this whole edge over here is gonna be grass, as well as all the areas along the border, because once the grass grows, it's gonna keep the boards in place, keep them nice and stable. Well, it isn't perfect, it isn't professional, but it's a lot cooler than it used to be in this area. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I appreciate you guys watching.